Yes, this is the complete picture of pyrolysis reactor. So I will explain you one by one of its parts and function. If you can see this, there is a three flow meter on the top of it. Now this is basically to set three different flow rate for the gases like nitrogen or any inert gas. If you to pass through reactor, you have three options. You can select any one. So these three flow meters can be controlled or can say adjusted by these three uh, needle valve. These are the needle valves or pin valve you can say. These three is individually control these flow meters. If you can come to this right side on the top, this is showing the pressure gauge of the gas connected. The other one is to regulate the pressure. This is for the pressure regulation, and if you can see this is the flow regulation. Two things you can just adjust it. And this is the control panel. It will be labeled before sending from here. And down to this panel, these are two uh, glass flasks where this your syn gas will pass. These two are in series. Why we use two? Because you can see if any gas dissolve, it will change the color here. And this one is the second one, which is not clear. There is no dissolved gases. It's all dissolved here on the bottom of this. And you can take the out. If you want to take the gases, you can take the gases from this nozzle. This you can collect it and can test it in the GC for qualification. Now coming to the reactor, this is the reactor part, and the top of the reactor there is a hopper from where you can just need to put your samples, biofeed or whatever you want. You can feed it from here, the hopper, and if you can see there is a valve. So once you fill it, you have to close this valve in this direction. And this the reactor, which is having a three separate heaters with individual temperature monitor and controls. Below this reactor, there is opening port. The biochar will collect here. You open it and take the biochar out. And here is the condenser. This is the condenser, and down the condenser, the bio oil will collect in this. I can take the sample out in between the experiment also. You release the valve and you can get the liquid out, or it will fill into this jar. I have given another condenser here. This you can use further, or if you want to do, you can connect it in the series of this reactor. So two condenser is better for your research applications further. I'll explain you once we start demonstrating working. So from this oil collector, the gas oil will be here collected here. The gas will pass from here through this tube. These are all the silicon tubes, non-reactive, and it will go into this glass vessel. And you can see the tube is here, and this will connect to the top, to this one, and this is out. And see there is a chiller on and this on the bottom of this. You can select the temperature, chilling temperature. Switch on and off is individually, but it is connected from the back side. You can see there is connect. So you can connect from here. The second, if you want to fill the water in the chiller, you have to open this and fill your water. The reservoir is about 9 liters. This is sufficient. You know, it will work for 3-4 months, no issue. If there is any problem or when water level is low, there is an alarm. So two water level will be there. So you can just figure it out. What is the level of the water inside the chiller? So if you go to the larger view, the system looks like this. The bottom one is a chiller. Top two is for the syngas. These two are the in series. This is panel, control panel, and upper is the pressure control and then flow controls. And the two condensers and this collector, oil collector. So this is all about this. I'll explain on the Monday when we'll be give the demonstration, live demonstration.